Yo, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'm talking about how to Twitch with no ads. So you're gonna want Firefox or Opera on your mobile app. Like on your mobile, the app Firefox or Opera. Chrome is already patched. This is the bypass or whatever. Alright. So give me a second. I'm explaining to y'all. It's a black screen, but I'm still explaining to y'all. This is the best video updated right now working. Alright, you want to get Firefox or you want to get Opera on your phone, or like I'm doing on my laptop too. Hold on, I got you. Hold on. Damn. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm back. It's still a short video. Stay focused. Like, that's a problem with people. Their attention span is like so short. Like every second, like, oh, he didn't show me it, and they probably clicked away and lost. Nah, stay focused. I got y'all. Go on Firefox extensions. Search up Ublock. It's the one, Ublock Origin. Add to Firefox. It's the one right here. You go to settings. You want to go to the bottom where it says I'm advanced user settings. The bottom right here, user resources location. You want to put this link right here. Hold on, give me a second. Keep your attention span longer. This video is literally less than 10 minutes. I got y'all. It's so annoying, like that freaking y'all know what I'm talking about. That TurboTax ad is so annoying. They don't let you watch your Call of Duty Fortnite real quick, even if you just want to watch it for like a stream. It's so annoying. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And ain't nobody got time for Twitch Turbo. I mean, nah, I didn't mean to say that like that, but yeah, just do what you gotta do. Like 15 a month, come on, bro. You just trying to entertain yourself real quick. I got y'all. Look. I got y'all. Look, boom. Now, hold on. Like I said, this video is less than 10 minutes. Your attention span is that messed up. That's your fault. Why you can't fix it? I ain't trying to drag it there. It's like I'm doing freestyling, but I'm really solving it for you. Look, I'm gonna put this in the description of this video. These are the steps right here. I'm gonna probably shorten this link for y'all too, so it can help y'all. Because like long links, it leaves it in ... So I gotta shorten this. There you go. So this is the link. You wanna put it there, and then this one right here, the whole full link. After you put it there, it's gonna show up. Then you wanna go in advanced settings, user resources location. This long link has to be pasted like that. Click apply changes. Now you go to my filters, number 1. Now you're gonna paste this, apply changes. Now we can go on Twitch. Now we can get entertained. You could probably watch a person stream for like an hour or whatever or less. And now you don't have to see all those annoying ads. Because like they put like 12, 13, 14, like, and it's all turbo. Like it's annoying. It's like, come on. And then on top of that, whatever you watching live, like it won't let you see it because of that, so you missing out. Like, you see, look, it's blocking ads. It's blocking ads.
Now I gotta change on one of my shooters.
It's doing it already. There you have it. I hope y'all found it useful. Look, the video wasn't even 5-6 minutes. All you had to do is keep your attention span long and go through it. Hope y'all found it useful. Remember, I'm gonna repeat it again. Get Firefox, get Opera on your phone, computer, whatever. Get the app installed on it. Go to extensions. Get Ublock Origin. Ublock Origin. This one right here. Ublock Origin. On Firefox and Opera. Chrome is like patched. Then you want to go click on the extension, click on the settings, like look, the settings icon right here. Go to settings, go down. I am an advanced user ticket. Click on the settings icon. Scroll down to where it says user location. User resources location is going to be this link inside of here. The link inside of this link, put it in the browser tab and click enter so it shows you the full link. Copy it and you paste it right there. You click apply changes and that's there. Now I'm gonna go back to the settings. My filters, line 1, and paste this in there. There you go. You've seen it said blocking ads. It might put the quality to 720p until it goes back to 1080p while it's blocking ads, but that's better than a black screen, or even worse, 14 ads and you missing out on the live. Like, come on. I hope y'all found that useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe.